Hi guys, welcome back to Motovan TV. Next, we're gonna do an oil change. So first, you wanna make sure you have an oil pan to be able to recuperate all the old oil. Put the oil pan underneath the motorcycle and remove the drain plug. After that, you wanna remove the oil filter. Once the oil filter removed and the oil completely drained, you want to take your new oil filter, put a bit of new oil on the tip of your finger, and you're going to lubricate the O-ring around the oil filter. Screw back the oil filter on, screw it just with your hands, and then take a proper tool and just do a quarter turn with the oil filter. Then take the drain plug, just make sure you clean all the sediments off the drain plug. Screw back the drain plug, and then we're good to go and fill the engine with the new oil. Every motorcycle has different quantities of oil that's needed in the engine, so just make sure you know how much oil is needed in your motorcycle. Fill it up, close the cap, and then we suggest to start the engine for a few minutes, make sure the oil goes everywhere into the oil filter, and then stop the engine, check your oil once again just to make sure it's at the right quantity. Please make sure you visit motovan.com for all your oil filter, and oil filter tool needs. For more specific details on what we learned today, visit the tips page on motovan.com.